German scientists and their inventions. A fun look into German culture. Germany is known not only for sausages and castles, but also for brilliant scientists and clever inventions. Let's take a short trip through time and meet a few German minds who changed the world in a very smart and sometimes funny way. First, we have Albert Einstein, the man with wild hair and even wilder ideas. He didn't invent a machine, he invented a theory. His theory of relativity helped us understand time, space and the universe. Pretty cool, right? But don't worry, you don't need to understand the math to know he was a genius. Next, say hello to Johannes Gutenberg. Without him, you might not be reading this text. In the 15th century, he invented the printing press. Thanks to Gutenberg, books became cheaper and more people could learn to read. You could say he started the first information age. And what about something very practical? Karl Benz built the world's first car in 1885. Yes, Benz like Mercedes-Benz. His wife, Bertha, was also amazing. She secretly took the car for the first long drive to show people it really worked. Now, that's a test drive. Germany is also the birthplace of the MP3, developed by scientists in the 1990s. So, if you like music on your phone, you can think German engineering. As you can see, Germany is full of curious minds and great ideas. From physics to printing, from cars to music. Learning German might just help you understand the next big invention one day.